I'm Tatiana, and I'm a volunteer worshiper here at Kitty Charm School, and I'm here with Draco and Kiki. Kiki, what's up? Hey, Draco. What you doing? What you doing, guys? Draco, you're such a cutie pie. You wanna move? Wanna move? Kiki, be nice. Be nice to your brother. What's this? What about this? Nice brush. You wanna say bye? Okay. Say bye, Draco. Kitty. Kitty, kitty. Say bye. No shoes. Hi, Kiki. Hey, Kiki. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. Okay. Say bye, Draco.